Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about API Aqua Essential. It is your all-in-one concentrated aquarium water conditioner. So I just want to show you guys, this is my little fish tank here. I know it's missing quite a good amount of water. As you guys can see, this is a 10-gallon tank. It's just a little one. I'm actually moving in a couple days, so that's why I'm not refilling it with water, because I know I'm going to have to empty out the tank and put the fish into a smaller tank. Which leads me to why I'm doing this video for Aqua Essential. When you first change water in a tank and you put fish in it, the fish have to adjust. So you want to put the water conditioner in, because it'll make the tap water safe for the fish. Because if the tap water, if you just put the fish in tap water, all different things can happen, and they actually may not survive. So I just want to make sure the water is good and that the fish can adapt to it. So if you guys would like some more information on API Aqua Essential Water Conditioner, please just be sure to check my video description for that. Okay, so this is API Aqua Essential, your all-in-one concentrated aquarium water conditioner. It detoxifies ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate. Removes chlorine, chloramines, and heavy metals, and it's good for freshwater and saltwater aquariums. So I have just a freshwater aquarium. As you guys can see, I don't have a lot of fish in there, like a little tetra. Just 2 fish right now. So I plan on getting more like once I move, but I mean, this is good for salt and fresh water like it says. So no matter what kind of fish you have, it'll be good for refreshing the water and getting it all set up. Great for new tanks. If you guys are new, I had so much to learn and I'm still learning, even though I just have a little tank. I have a goldfish pond outside, and there's always like something that comes up that I honestly didn't even know about. So it's a learning process. So if you guys are like, say you have a little kid and you know they want a mommy, daddy, buy me a fish, this is something that you want to get. And the pet store, if you go to the pet store, they'll definitely help you. But if you're just ordering things online, this is definitely something you want to get to make the water safe. Okay, so the guide, there's a startup and a change water and water problem solving. This is 4 ounces. This will last you a long time. Treats up to 1,180 US gallons when treating tap water. It's definitely going to last me a while. Look at it, and it doesn't expire till 7/20/24. So you have quite a long time to get through this bottle. My tank is only 10 gallons, so I know that this is going to last me a long time. So it tells you the benefits. Highly concentrated formula instantly makes tap water safe for freshwater and saltwater aquariums by removing chlorine and the heavy metals. Instantly detoxifies ammonia, nitrite, and nitrates to help restore a healthy aquatic environment. And then the directions. So the directions for treating tap water: shake well directly before use. Using dosing cap on the bottle, add 5 milliliters per 50 US gallons. Add 1 milliliter per 10 US gallons. So I would just need, because my tank is only 10 gallons, 1 milliliter, and they have the measurements here. So I don't know if you guys could see here. So this is 5 milliliters. So it's really just a little bit. It's just this amount from here to here. And then 10 milliliters would be the whole thing. So you're really not adding a lot. A little bit goes a long way, which is great. Directions to detoxify ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate. Shake the bottle well directly before use. Using the cap on the bottle, add 5 milliliters. It tells you for the 10 US gallons, like we just read for the treating tap water. And add every 24 hours if needed. If after 7 days, test results still show ammonia or nitrite, perform a partial water change. Note: a slightly sulfur odor is normal. And for only, I guess, for ornamental fish only, not to be used for fish intended for human consumption. Ornamental fish. Okay, I was like, I was wondering why it was saying that. So yeah, of course, this is just for an aquarium fish. Like if you guys go fishing, obviously you're not going to be like using this for that, because it's not going to be, the water won't be safe to keep fish in that you're going to consume. So I'm not going to consume my little fishies here. They're just for, they're my pets. They're for decoration. So that's basically what this is trying to say. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. So guys, this is my video for the API Aqua Essential, your all-in-one concentrated aquarium water conditioner. Do not forget, if you guys are just setting up a tank, like I said, I'm moving. I'm not setting up a new tank, but I'm removing most of the water and refilling it with fresh tap water. I need to have this because I need to make sure that the water is going to be safe for my fish to live in. And I just want to make sure, they don't get like shocked or anything like that. So this is essential. It's inexpensive. And I promise you guys, it's very easy to use. So I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks everybody and have a great day.